In this video, we are going to see how to use Dissolve tool in ArcGIS Pro. Here we have added one layer country boundary that contains the country boundaries of the world. Now we want to dissolve the countries of same continents together so that the African countries will be merged into one, and that will be Africa. And likewise Asia, America and Europe. Before going to the dissolve option, let's see the attribute table. Here you can see that we have one column named continent. We will be dissolving this country boundary dataset using this column so that all countries under a single continent will be merged together. Now let's do that. Go to analysis and then tools. Here you can search for dissolve. We can see that here is the data management tools and dissolve option. Let's click on this. Instead of using the dissolve, you can also use pairwise dissolve, which has enhanced functionality or performance. Let's click on this. And now input, we should select input feature. Our input feature will be country boundary dataset. And output feature class, let's write this continents. And now we should select the dissolve field. It should be continent. And if we want to add some more field, we can also do that, but for now we do not need that. And if you want to make any statistics, you can also do that. So you can select any code, and here you can select the statistics of sum, mean, minimum, maximum, but for this case we do not need to calculate any statistics. Now let's run this. The dissolve function is going on. Since there are so many countries, this is the world country boundary, so it may take some more time. The process is completed. Now let's close this and go to the continents. Let's go to the symbology and symbolize by unique values and select continent. And let's show the label. Let's uncheck this one and click on the continents layer. We can see that our labels are now shown properly, but here is an issue. The Greenland and Antarctica are not within any continents. As long as this dissolve process is done on GAL country boundary dataset, that doesn't mention any continent for Greenland and Antarctica, so those are out of continents. And here we should have two continents, that is North America and South America, but all those countries has been written in GAL dataset as Americas, so it is shown as one continent. But this is the pretty basic thing we can do with Dissolve processing tool, and you can do a lot of stuffs with this one. Thanks for watching.